went over a pothole and I heard this crunching noise. So I thought I'd investigate it, and yeah, that's definitely unsafe. Good thing it only happened like a couple miles from home. And now I'm going to change it. I have the tire off. I sprayed some WD-40 on this nut, and I used the wire brush, and also on this nut here I sprayed it. I was using the wire brush on it. And there's one more nut, which is right on the ball joint there. I got the first nut off, the one that holds onto the ball joint. Now I have a chisel. I have to open that up a bit so I can push that nut through. There. Got the little punch. Oh. Oop, there's action on it, and I'll use my breaker bar also. Slides out like that. This nut on this side is 18 and this side is 21. I put a socket on it, it's 21. If you want to use it open end, it's 21. This nut is a 24 millimeter. I have a 24 millimeter socket, but the one I have on there right now is a 15/16. And it fits tighter, so that's the one I'm going to use. And I have a breaker bar on it, and very slowly just unloosen it. I should give it a little bit of more oil. This is how I'm working the chisels to try to free the pin that goes up and down. By lifting the sway bar link at the back end up, pushes this pin down. It's having a hard time getting off this. I've been drilling right here. Look at all. And I give it a few taps of the hammer and it has come away. I'll show you here. See, it has come away this much. See, here it comes. See, that's how much I drilled away, and then it just let go. I'm going to clean that up with, I got a grinder for the drill, so I'll clean that up. And I'll clean up the threads. Did it here to the shaft, and then I'm working on the piece on the top. I got this bolt, well, I got it in all the way, but I only got it halfway. It wouldn't align there. So what I had to do is I had to put the nut here and tighten up to push the whole arm to make it straight. So this bolt will go in straight. So all I got left now is put it on the knuckle. See, the new bolt sits across like that to hold it in place. And right here I gotta push it up so I can see it through the hole there, and then I can put the nut through. But I've got the chisel to keep it open until I have enough room so I can push it up, but it's just not going far enough. Okay, you see how I just jacked it up just enough there. See, now I can take the chisel away, and yeah, then I can put the bolt through there now. Got all the bolts all tightened down. Just in time too. I got the umbrella out here. It's yeah, the sun's hitting right at me.